Students, whatever homework is given to you, you have to submit it on the very next day between 8 am to 1 pm to the given WhatsApp number, and it is compulsory to submit your homework as your attendance will be marked on the basis of your submission.
Yes. Good morning, children. Yesterday, that means previous section, we have discussed about the method, cross multiplication method and its practical applications. Everything we did it. Now, today what we are going to discuss that some of the equations will be given, but they are not in the linear equation form. You have to make it into the linear equation form by reducing it to linear equation form by making some suitable substitutions. So let us see some of the examples. By that way, you will understand that how can you make this type of equation into a pair of linear equations in two variables, and by that way, how can you find out the solutions also. Finding out the solution, for finding out the solutions, you can use any of the methods unless and until if the method is not mentioned. You can use elimination method and also you can use cross multiplication method, substitution method. That's according to your choice. If it is given, method is given, so you should opt that method only. If you are opting any other method, you are not going to get the marks for the examination. Now, let us have a look on that type of equations. How can you make that equations into pair of linear equations into variables which are not linear already? Let us take one example. I am directly taking that example exercise 3.6, question number 1. Let us look at question number 1. That means one question, sub question 1. That means 1 by 2x plus 1 by 3y is equal to 2. 1 by 3x plus 1 by 2y equal to 13 by 6. This equation 1 by 2x plus 1 by 3y is equal to 2 and 1 by 3x plus 1 by 2y is equal to 13 by 6. Here x and y are the variables, but you know that this equation is not in the linear form. For making it as linear form, what you should do that you can substitute 1 by x is equal to some other variable. Which is a variable I have taken here? X. 1 by x, let 1 by x is equal to a and 1 by y is equal to b. Then how it will be changed? This one you are knowing that. This is, you can write it as that 1 by 2 into 1 by x. This equation you can write that 1 by 3 into 1 by y is equal to 2. Same way here also. 1 by 3 into 1 by x plus 1 by 2 into 1 by y is equal to 13 by 6. Now substitute the value of 1 by x as a. So it will come a into 1 by 2. That means a by 2 plus 1 by y is b. We have substituted 1 by y as b. Then it will be b by 3 is equal to 2. So first equation you are going to change it as a linear equation in another two variables. Which are the two variables we have taken? A and b. Now take the LCM here. 2 3s are 6 LCM. So it will come here. 3 2s are 6. Therefore 3a plus 2b is equal to, this 6 will cross multiply here. So you got a linear equation in which variable? A and b. But our intention is that you have to find out the solution of x and y. Now after solving this you are going to get a and b only. But after that we can change it into this form. Now second equation also same way. 1 by 3 into 1 by x. That means we can write that a by 3, a into 1 by 3 plus b into 1 by 2. That means a by 3 plus b by 2 is equal to 13 by 6. That means this equation you have changed like this way and this equation you have changed like this way. Again here LCM is there 6. So you will get that 2a plus 3b is equal to 13 by 6. 6 you can cancel. So you have got the equation as 2a plus 3b equal to 13. That means here also you have got the equation in a two variable. This is also linear equation in two variable. This is also linear equation in two variable. Now it's your choice. You can do any of the method whichever we have learned earlier. That means cross multiplication, substitution, elimination. Here for my convenience I have taken as a elimination method here. 3a plus 2b equal to 12. I have multiplied to make it the coefficients equal for a. So you have multiplied by 3 by 2, which will come 6a plus 4b is equal to 12 2s are 24. Again, the second equation I multiplied by 3 for making it as 6a. So 6a plus 9b is equal to 39. Now after these three equations, what you have to do that? Subtract. So you will get that 6a will be cancelled, plus 4b minus 9b, it will be minus 5b. 24 minus 39 it's equal to minus 15. Therefore, b is equal to minus will be cancelled. 15 by 5 is equal to 3. Now, you have to substitute the value of b in this equation. Which is the equation I taken? First equation I taken. 3a plus 2b is equal to 12. So, there I have substituted 3a plus 2 into 3 is equal to 12. 3a plus 6 is equal to 12. 3a is equal to 12 minus 6. 3a equal to 6, a equal to 6 by 3 is equal to 2. Now you have got the value of b and a, other two variables. But you have to convert it into which variable? X and y, because we are going to find out the solution of x and y. Now resubstitute the value of x and y, sorry, a and b in this equation. A is equal to 2, b equal to 3. And you already know that 1 by x is equal to a is was our substitution. So instead of a, what you will substitute now? 2. And 1 by y is equal to what was that? B. So we are substituting that one here. So 1 by x is equal to 2. Then 2x is equal to 1. X will be is equal to 1 by 2. Same way 1 by y is equal to b. B means we have got the value of b as 3. So 1 by y is equal to 3. 3y is equal to 1. Y is equal to 1 by 3. Now you got the values of x and y for this type of equations which you are already not in the linear form, but by taking some suitable proper substitutions we have changed it into the linear equation like this way, and finally you find out the answer for that two variables. Resubstitute that value of a and b in this equation, you are going to get able to solve x and y. Maybe children, you got clear how this sum was done. So also an important sum in this chapter. Now, let us do another sum which is of the same exercise 3.6, question number 1, fifth question. So what type of substitution you are going to do there for making it as a linear equation in two variables? Look at the question. Here the question is like this way: 7x minus 2y upon xy is equal to 5. 8x plus 7y upon xy is equal to 15. First of all, here you know that common denominator for both these terms, that is xy. You are separating this common denominator for both of that. It will come 7x by xy minus 2y by xy is equal to 5. Now here, when you are doing that, so xx will be cancelled here. Here y will be cancelled. So what you are going to get? 7y by 7 upon y minus 2 upon x is equal to 5. You keep that equation. That means this equation you have reformed like this way. Same way here also, you know that xy is a common denominator for both of these terms. So what you will do that, you will just divide xy upon xy with both of these terms. So 8x by xy plus 7y by xy. So xx will be cancelled here, we will get 8 by y. Y will be cancelled here, so we will get 7 by x is equal to what? 15. Now equation, these two equations you have reformed into this type of equations. Clear for you this much? Now, what is the next step we have to do? We have to make a linear equation of two variables. For that we have to do some substitutions. What you are going to substitute here that 1 by y is equal to a and 1 by x is equal to b. So when you are putting here 7 into 1 by y, that means 7a minus 2 into 1 by x. This is 2 into 1 by x, that means 2b is equal to 5. This equation 1 you have changed in this equation by making suitable substitution, and we have made it into a linear equation of other two variables. Which are the variables here? A and b. Same way this question also, this equation also, 8 by y, that means 8 into 1 by y. 8 into 1 by y, 1 by y substitution is there with us. What is substitution? A. So 8 into a plus 7 into 1 by x, that means 7 into b is equal to 50. Now you got both the equations, that is already in the linear form. Now next step what you will do, that you have to do the elimination method. So I have multiplied third equation with the equation number 3 with 8 and equation number 4 with the 7. Equation number 3 into 8, so you will throughout you are multiplying by 8. Here throughout this equation you are multiplying by 4. Then elimination, eliminating these coefficients. So how you can eliminate these variables? By making suitable multiplication. That already we did it. Then after that this one will be cancelled. Now what's remaining here? Minus 16 and minus 49. It will come minus 65b, 40 minus 105. Again minus 65 minus minus will be cancelled. B is equal to 65 by 65 is equal to 1. Now what is the next step? You have to apply this value of B in equation number 3. So B is equal to 1. You have to substitute here. So when I substituted here in this equation, 7a minus 2 into 1 equal to 5. That means 7a is equal to 5 plus 2. 7a is equal to 7. So a is equal to 1. Now you got both the values here. That means variables. Which are the variables you have got? A equal to 1 and B equal to 1. That you are going to resubstitute here. 1 by, what you have substituted there? 1 by y is equal to a, 1 by x is equal to b. That means 1 by y is equal to a, what you have got? 1. 1 by x is equal to b, b what you have got? 1. Now substituting there, so you are going to get the solution of x and y as x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1 is the required solution for these equations. Now let us take one more sum from this exercise. It's very important sum because here 2 times you have to do the elimination method. Let us check that how you are going to do this one, finding out the values of x and y for this equations. Here 2 equations are given, 1 by 3x plus y plus 1 by 3x minus y is equal to 3 by 4, 1 by 2 into 3x plus y minus 1 by 2 into 3x minus y is equal to minus 1 by 8. Here also, this is not a linear equation. You have to make a proper substitution here. What the proper substitution we have done here? 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to some other variable, that is a, and 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to some other variable, that is b. Now, how to be changed? This one, when you are substituting a and b in this equation how it will be changed? 1 by 3x plus y. For that purpose, what you are going to substitute? A. So it will be changed. This full equation, full term will be changed into a, and 1 by 3x minus y, it will be changed into b. Now the equation, how it will be changed? A plus b is equal to 3 by 4. Yes, you know that you can cross multiply this one here. So it will come 4a plus 4b is equal to 3. First equation you have got in terms of a and b. For the second equation, 1 by 2 into 3x plus y minus 1 by 2 into 3x minus y is equal to minus 1 by 8. This one meaning what is that? 1 by 2 into 1 by 3x plus y, 1 by 2 into 1 by 3x minus y. So 1 by 2 into 1 by 3x plus y, what you have substituted? A. So a into 1 by 2, that means a by 2, and b into 1 by 2, that means b by 2. That means this equation you modified as a by 2 minus b by 2 is equal to minus 1 by 8. Clear children this one? This one you have substituted here 1 by 2 into 1 by 3x plus y. 1 by 3x plus y you put it as a. A into 1 by 2, that means a by 2. B into 1 by 2, that means b by 2 is equal to minus 1 by 8. Now this one also you have to change it into the linear equation up to very proper standard form. For that purpose, what you will do that 2 is the LCM here. It will come a minus b upon 2 is equal to minus 1 by 8. This 2 if you are cross multiplying here, it will come minus 1 by 4. Then now this 4 you multiply here, cross multiply. So what will get? 4a minus 4b is equal to, what is there? 1, minus 1. Second equation. Now first equation already got that 4a plus 4b equal to 3. Second equation how? 4a minus 4b is equal to minus 1. Now these two equations, what you should do that? Elimination. Elimination already you know that here minus 4 plus 4. B's coefficients are same as well as both are minus and plus. So what you will do? You will add it only. Because there is no need of subtraction here. You have to add it. Addition, when you are doing, this will be cancelled. Now 4a plus 4a, it will come 8a. Minus 1 plus 3, it will come 2. Now a is equal to 2 by 8 is equal to 1 by 4. Now a value you got it as that 1 by 4. Now substitute that value of a in any of the equation. I have substituted in the first equation. What was that equation? 4a plus 4b equal to 3. Instead of a, I have substituted the value of a as 1 by 4. So it will come 4 4s are cancelled 1. 1 plus 4b equal to 3. 4b equal to 3 minus 1. 4b equal to 2. That means b is equal to what is coded as 1 by 2. Now a is equal to 1 by 4 and b is equal to 1 by 2. Now what you have substituted for 1 by 3x plus y? 1 by 3x plus y is equal to a. Now next step what you will do that you will substitute, you are knowing that 1 by 3x plus y is equal to a. Therefore 1 by 3x plus y is equal to what will you write? 1 by 4, because we already got a value as 1 by 4. Now cross multiply it. So you will get that 3x plus y equal to 4. That is the third equation. Same way 1 by 3x minus y is equal to what you have substituted that 1 by 3x minus y is equal to b. That means 1 by 3x minus y is equal to, what's your b value you got? B value as a 1 by 2. Again from here cross multiply, you will get another equation, that is that 3x minus y equal to 2. So directly you are not going to get x and y from here. Again 2 more linear equations you are going to get. Already first 2 linear equations were there. From there you got the values of the variables a and b. From there again you have got 2 more equations. That is also linear only, but in x and y. Now final step what will do that 2 equations, that means 3x plus y equal to 4 and 3x minus y equal to 2. This one you have to solve again by addition, because coefficients of y are equal here. One is plus and one is minus. Therefore you can add it. You will get that 6x is equal to 6, x is equal to 1. Now substituting the value of x is equal to 1 in this equation, you are going to get 3x plus y equal to 4. 3 into 1 plus y equal to 4, y is equal to 4 minus 3 equal to 1. Now you are collected 2 values of x and y. What is the value of x you got? X you have got as 1 and y also you got as a 1. That means the final solution what is that? X is equal to 1, y is equal to 1 is the required solution for this kind of equations. So this equation is so important, because here 2 times you have to do the elimination method for finding out the values of x and y. That's why I told you that so important for you to complete. Now as the homework exercise 3.6, I have done only 3 sums here in the class. Now there are 8 questions and 1, 5 and 8 questions. I already did it in the board. Now remaining sums you can do by making proper substitutions and making it as a linear equation of 2 variables, and you do it yourself. That is the homework for you. Exercise 3.6, the remaining questions you have to do as the homework. Remaining sums of exercise 3.6, question number 1, that you have to do yourself, or in that any kind of problems if you are facing, then you can ask me in detail. Clear for you children? Now we can see with some of the word problems related to this. We will see in the next section. Till then you take care of yourself and bye bye. Give properly the homework by PDF files to the respective teachers in the WhatsApp number. That's a very important notice for you. Again and again I am saying the same thing to you, but no one is responding to that. Very few children are responding to the same. So please complete your homework, and if any queries related to the homeworks, you can ask me on the WhatsApp number. Clear for you children? Bye bye.